figured out lightning. It's really fucking simple, kind of. Yep. Simple as fuck. Turns out, if you have hydrogen, you mix it with oxygen, you get water. Also, you get an electrical charge. An electrical charge is released in this process, this chemical reaction. Whenever it storms, it's getting ready to storm, you get that really loud thunderclap, bolt of lightning, and then it starts to fucking rain. You got a low pressure zone. How is the pressure so low? Obviously, there must be less stuff on top of you. There's less shit between us and space. What is space? Mostly hydrogen from the sun. Mixes with the fucking oxygen. Get goddamn lightning. Get the fucking rain. The water's constantly being renewed, regenerated. We're constantly making new water and constantly losing water. It's evaporating up. Some of it gets stripped away. We make new water. The reason that it rains so much now, it seems like it's raining so fucking much all the time, is because the sky is falling. There's less shit between us and outer space than there used to be. That's why the sun feels way fucking hotter, way bright. It's way brighter. It's hotter on your skin. Some days more than others. Then they'll tell you that we have a cosmic ray alert, whatever the fuck that means. Look into it. There's all this shit that they just pepper in to the news, into the weather forecast. They've been doing it for years. Nobody notices. They just try to get these terms out there to where eventually, whenever it starts to be a big deal, it's like people won't look into it because they think they already know what the fuck they're being told. That nobody really knows anything because nobody takes the time to try to figure anything out, really. I don't know shit, but you can put two and two together pretty fucking easy. It's all pretty fucking simple. We fucked up. We should have never started growing crops. It's what makes all this bullshit possible. If it weren't for the crops, we wouldn't be able to have a civilization. You wouldn't have to worry about kings and queens and armies. We'd all be kings and queens. You know? Do whatever the fuck you want to do, basically. There wouldn't be any armies. It'd be like a tribe or some shit. We'd be nomadic hunter-gatherers and we'd live like we're supposed to. You're supposed to live on the land where you're at, using the shit around you for everything that you need, for all your tools, all your building materials, from your immediate environment. Pretty simple, really. We done went and fucked it all up. Thought we knew better. We're gonna grow the fucking corn. And now we're the children of the corn. We fucked up. It was the fall of man. Should have never did it. And, it's all gonna be going away, though. You don't have to worry. Alright, nobody's worrying about that, probably, but Monsanto is good. See, they'll make sure that the practice of farming cannot be continued after civilization collapses. it would be bad if lots of people had seed saved back. They'd be able to restart their fucking crops, their goddamn horrible corn and shit. It'll be impossible. They'll take the grid down. It'll all go down at the same time, everywhere. We won't be able to rebuild it. Many, many, many people will die. That way, those who survive will have it pretty easy. There'll be plenty to go around for everyone, because there won't be very many people. We are so dependent upon this thing, this electricity. We have made ourselves so weak. We can't live in our own natural environment without climate control and all this shit. We are so used to being comfortable that most of us, including me probably, I don't fucking know, I'm no different than anybody else. Apparently, I don't know, I see shit differently, I guess, in my opinion, than most people. We all live on our own little delusion. However we think the world works, it's our own little truths, because everybody's got a different dictionary in their head, a different fucking set of definitions for all words. Lots of words, especially in science, are not defined. So literally, when these scientists are saying this shit, it means nothing. It is babble. They just babble and babble, babbling on, babbling on. Ever since Babylon, every language on the earth spoke today is this. It's all babble. You can babble in many languages, but you're still going to be babbling. I think it's going to be badass. We're going to return to the golden age of man. Humanity lived on this planet for forever. For millions of years. We've been here for fucking a long goddamn time. A lot longer than whatever 10 or 100,000 years they try to claim. Basically, we've been walking around using bows and arrows, pointed sticks, killing shit, making fires. Think about it. The Indians had it right. I mean, they lived in teepees and had campfires in their living room fucking year-round. Huh? I'd rather watch that than the fucking TV. I'd be bitching. None of this shit makes life better. In fact, it's worse because of it all. Anyways, it'll all go away, and then it'll all be back again eventually. It's all happened before, it'll happen again. It's not that big of a deal. It is kind of cool that we're living in this transitionary period. I think we're going to get to see a lot of shit go down. It's going to be rather exciting, I do believe. Can't wait. The grid's going down. Can't do anything else but that. They've made sure of that. Which is good. A very good thing. If they didn't, I mean, it's gotta happen. They gotta fry every single computer chip before Skynet takes over and the terminators kill us all. The illuminati has been diligently at work impeding human progress and doing a good job at it for a long time, hundreds, maybe thousands of years. And I mean, had they not, terminators would have probably took over a couple thousand years ago or some shit. It didn't take very long for us to get from, like where we are now, like 100 years ago. Look at all that progress, real fucking quick. And we're stupid now. Much more stupid than our ancestors were. They were fucking smart. Cavemen had a brain like 33% larger than ours. What does that mean? Probably means that they were a lot fucking smarter than us. They lived right. Whenever you domesticate an animal, its brain shrinks. The wild counterpart always has a larger brain. The domesticated version is not as intelligent. Maybe we'll go back to being like real, like not domesticated wild human beings. I think it's going to be exciting. Maybe there is a counterpart to us, like we're the domesticated versions. We're like the dogs. We're the wolves of the humans. Is that what, like, I don't know. Where are they at? I would like to meet them.